the SoundPEATS TrueWings. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the TrueWings by SoundPEATS. These are targeted for the active lifestyle users, from working out in the gym, running, or outdoors, just to name a few. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The TrueWings features 4 hours of listening time, 22 total hours with the case. Takes 1.5 hours to fully charge the earbuds and 2.5 hours for the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 13.6mm drivers, touch controls, transparency hearing, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case does fall on the larger side to accommodate the earhook design. It's plastic all around and it has a matte finish. And you can see the SoundPEATS branding on the top. On the back of the case, you have the USB-C charge port and the status LED. Opening the lid, you'll find the additional LEDs for the battery charge level. The lid is easy to open and close, and it uses magnets. The earbuds are held into place by magnets and are firmly secured inside. They're easy to grip and remove from the case. Inside the case, you will see a glossy finish and the ear indicators etched in on the sides. The earbuds have a simple, clean look to them, and the ear hooks are soft and flexible. They're easy to adjust. You have the ear markings inside, and the outer face has a touch surface. Each of the earbuds have the ear hook, charging contacts, microphone, touch control, LED, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. The user guide details the playback and call controls, and it's a matter of few taps or long hold to get the desired function. The case comes in at 3.3 by 2.6 by 1.6 inches. It weighs in at 70 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 18 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers, I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of a SoundPEATS TrueWings microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was fairly loud during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. Pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the SoundPEATS TrueWings, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Overall, comfort was good. They were easy to put on and it seated well in my ears. It created a nice tight seal and it felt very secure. The ear hooks provide good stability. Touch functions are a plus since it doesn't add additional pressure when navigating. They had no issues staying into place while running. Build-in quality is decent. Nothing really stands out, just a clean look all around. The case is a bit larger and bulky as mentioned. It feels durable along with the earbuds. Battery life is a bit low for me, coming in at 4 hours on a single charge. I wish it was double that. Earhook design is in line with many of the sport earbuds that I have reviewed in the past, and the touch controls were responsive and easy to navigate. It does have transparent hearing so you can hear other people without taking off the earbuds. Now when it comes to sound, you get some decent bass. It's tight and punchy, but not too deep or overwhelming. Mids and highs is very clear and loud, and it's a bit forward. I think this is where it excels. Vocals definitely stand out. Very crisp sounding, and volume levels get real high. Overall, I think these are a good pair for those with active lifestyles. The sound signature should give you that energetic boost during your workouts. The price point is definitely competitive and is sure to help those that are budget conscious. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS TrueWings. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.